Hi, welcome to the Outfitter YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're taking my 1984 VW Rabbit turbo diesel for a spin. What's new today that I'm super stoked about is that I just got this new turbocharger installed. Look at this thing. It is humongous compared to my last one. And it's VNT, so it's a variable geometry turbo. This is a solenoid. Currently it's not hooked up to anything, but I can thumb screw the adjustment right here. So right now the vanes are fixed and they're set to, I imagine, about 25% open. This turbo came off a 2.7 liter Sprinter van, and this is a 1.6 liter motor. So do some math, you can see we're up to no good. I'm gonna slap the hood on, we're gonna start it, and then we're gonna go for a rip. I just took it for a quick test drive to make sure it wouldn't explode immediately, so we're good there. So stoked. Glow plugs, fuel pump. Right now when I'm testing it, all I'm really seeing is, does it spool? Clearly yes, but the beautiful thing is long term, I'm gonna make a control unit for the turbo to adjust the vanes automatically, so it'll build and hold boost so fast. But the fact that this turbo is spooling at all is freaking sick, because it came off an engine that's almost twice the size. Is probably the most frightening thing I do all the time. It scares me good. Hard to tell how fast it really is because I'm on public roads trying to go the speed limit. We're doing great. The exhaust is absolutely clean, so I did a good job cleaning the intake, and the new turbo isn't leaking any oil. The new EGT gauge is great but also scary because it's really easy to hit like 1400 degrees like no problem. But at least I know what I'm doing. Kind of wish I put this right there because this is the important one. I'm gonna go and pull over somewhere, and I think my boost line came off, so it stopped reading partway through. I think the vanes were almost all the way open on those pulls we just did, so I closed it a little bit.